Floor. What's up, Scooby?
Look at this leak.
Yeah.
Look at those feet. That's kind of look. But not there. No, boo. Why is it eating this snack?
I don't know, but we're not supposed to feed them bread, okay?
Okay. I like it. And then, Mommy, there's white one. There's white one.
Yeah.
Mommy, I like those. It was about to fly away. There.
It was.
Why is their tail always shake?
I don't know.
No.
Okay, now when they follow you and they start running after you.
I do.
Yeah, because of your boo.
Oh.
No, you gotta use the mallets. That's what they're there for.
Hi guys.
Wait, move your phone so I can use it.
Hi guys. We're on a trail right now, but we're exploring, and I am scared right now. And do you know? This is that's the playground right there, and I like it. But there's another playground, and it's all the way over there. But
So, point it at your face.
it is on my face. And
So I can actually use it in the video.
like this.
Oh yeah, that works too. Okay, but you're pushing me out.
Hi guys. So we're on a track. I already said that, but I'm too excited.
You're too excited.
So we're about to turn, and there's
the bridge.
and there's a cliff. And I don't know how we're gonna get over it, but I just don't want to break the bridge. So, and my mommy's over here.
Hi, mommy.
No.
I'm the mommy. Oh man, there's a hill.
And there's a hill right now, so that's why it's hard for our legs. I'm so tired. Like, we're tired right now, right, Mommy? Mommy, you're pushing yourself out.
Well, I gotta push the baby too.
And the baby is like relaxing.
Yeah, the baby's not tired.
And my arm is hurting, so I'm gonna turn you guys off. So I'm at a big park. And my throat's hurting, so that's why. And my mommy's about to get River up the stairs, and she's not even holding him. And look, carts. And this is the park.
What's it called? 70s 55. The group would like.
The defense win. Defense. Mommy, the defense are. Oh.
There's that puppy.
What are you doing?
Trying to catch him, putting his whole hand in his mouth so I can send it to Daddy. Can you move his pacifier? Don't put it in his mouth. Yeah.